Hi, I'm Brent Sanderson, the founder of EnCode Create, and I'm very excited to show off our newest product, a custom-branded white label learning platform for teaching coding and computer science. If your organization teaches kids how to write code, or you'd like to start, we offer a full solution for curriculum and enrollments. Our white label platform features the same projects, videos, and teacher resources that you've been using on our platform. But instead of enrolling your students into our website, you get your own custom installation. Use your brand's colors and logo in the course player. Customize your homepage and host the content on your domain. Take full control over your enrollments with an admin dashboard. Manage rosters and enrollments for students and instructors. Track student progress. Customize our curriculum and add your own. Process payments, including subscriptions and bundles. You can also create affiliate links and add revenue partners. You can integrate with your existing platforms using our powerful API, integrate single sign-on, or integrate with your booking calendar. This product is for organizations that teach code to K-12 students. Whether you own a tutoring center, offer summer camps, or specialize in after-school care, our full solution will have you teaching your students how to write code by making and designing their own video games. To learn more, visit encodecreate.com.